Welcome to your guide to finding the perfect robot vacuum in 2023. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 best robot vacuums available today. I've done the hard work by researching for hours, so you don't have to. Whether you're looking for powerful cleaning, smart features, or great value, we've got you covered. Plus, you'll find all the links for the best prices in the description below. Remember, the order isn't fixed, so stay tuned till the end to catch all the details. Introducing the Roborock S7 Plus, the ultimate choice when it comes to getting the most value out of your robot vacuum. If you're dealing with various types of flooring at home, the Roborock S7 Plus is your powerhouse solution. This exceptional robot vacuum offers a remarkable combination of power, craftsmanship, and affordability. Let's talk about design. The Roborock S7 Plus boasts a sleek, futuristic appearance that exudes quality. Both the robot and its base are designed with efficiency in mind, fitting seamlessly into your home. And if you're worried about it fitting under your furniture, fear not, the robot stands at just 3.8 inches tall and has a diameter of 13.9 inches, ensuring it effortlessly glides under most pieces. Now, let's delve into performance. Prepare to be impressed, as the S7 Plus features an astonishing suction power of 2,500 Pascal. This means it effortlessly lifts dust and crumbs from every corner of your floors. Its cleaning prowess is unparalleled. It leaves no particle behind, be it on carpets, wood floors, or tiles. With its high suction capability, your floors will look spotless and refreshed. What's more, the Roborock S7 Plus is no ordinary machine. Its intelligence is apparent as it navigates your home with speed and precision, avoiding obstacles seamlessly. It's like having a diligent cleaning assistant that never misses a spot. And don't forget the unique mopping feature that takes care of more than just vacuuming. It's designed to cater to your needs effectively. Setting up this advanced cleaning companion is a breeze, even if you're not tech-savvy. The app is intuitive, allowing you to select different vacuuming modes, set up cleaning zones, and schedule cleaning sessions effortlessly. Unlike some competitors, the S7 Plus proudly displays its charge level on top, so you're always informed. Speaking of charging, its 5,200 mAh battery ensures the S7 Plus has the stamina to clean your entire house on a single charge. You can trust it to complete the task without interruption. If you're seeking a formidable robot vacuum that excels at cleaning different floor types, is easy to use, and fits within your budget, the Roborock S7 Plus is the answer you've been looking for. Say goodbye to the hassle of cleaning and embrace a cleaner, more efficient home with the Roborock S7 Plus. Next up is the Shark IQ RV1001AE, your ultimate money-saving choice in the world of robot vacuums. If you're after a top-notch robot vacuum that won't get stuck randomly, can empty and clean itself, all without breaking the bank, then the Shark IQ RV1001AE is your perfect match. Tired of spending too much time vacuuming your home? A robot vacuum like this one can drastically cut down your cleaning chores, giving you more leisure time during the week. While most robot vacuums need frequent emptying and cleaning to work well, the Shark IQ breaks the mold by offering both self-cleaning and self-emptying features, all at an affordable price. Plus, it takes a unique approach with its innovative two-bag system. Inside, you'll find 2 dustbins, one inside the robot itself and a larger one in the base station. When the robot finishes its cleaning cycle and heads back to the base, you'll hear a satisfying noise as the dust is efficiently dumped into the base station. And if you're concerned about the dust and allergens, don't worry, the process is incredibly hygienic. On the base's left side, a transparent window lets you gauge the fill level. When it's full, just press a button, and the Shark IQ gets rid of the dirt, all without you needing to touch any dust. This feature is a game changer, especially for those with allergies. Setting up the Shark IQ is a breeze, taking just a few minutes. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll have it up and running without a hitch. When it comes to performance, don't let the price fool you. The Shark IQ holds its ground with impressive power. While it might not match the high-end Roomba S9 Plus in power, it still gets the job done effectively. In under 100 minutes, it can give your entire home a noticeable refresh. And if you're a pet owner dealing with constant shedding, you're in for a treat. The Shark IQ handles pet hair with ease, making it a standout choice for pet-friendly households. With its advanced features and affordable price, the Shark IQ is your go-to solution for keeping your home clean and fresh. Say goodbye to the hassle of constant vacuuming and hello to a smarter, cleaner future with the Shark IQ RV1001AE. Third on the list is the Roomba S7 Plus, a true superstar in the realm of robot vacuums. With its unmatched mapping accuracy, exceptional performance, and efficient corner cleaning, it takes the crown as the ultimate all-around robot vacuum. Let's talk about its design. The S7 Plus boasts a premium appearance and feel, thanks to its elegant rose gold lid that sets it apart from the crowd. Despite its remarkable abilities, it remains compact at 8.15 pounds and a height of 3.5 inches, easily fitting under most low furniture pieces. When it comes to performance, the S9 Plus truly shines. It swiftly and effectively gathers fine dust, crumbs, and even oats from various floor types. Its unmatched performance makes it an ideal choice for those seeking a versatile robot vacuum. Unlike other models that might struggle with delicate dust and dirt, the S9 Plus tackles these challenges with ease, showcasing its impressive cleaning efficiency. Although it might generate a bit more noise than some counterparts, its exceptional performance more than compensates. The S9 Plus features a convenient self-emptying function, requiring a monthly dust bag replacement. Its user-friendly app offers a wealth of features, including cleaning history, room maps, and adjustable suction levels. Moreover, it seamlessly syncs with voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant. While the S9 Plus bears a higher price tag compared to options like the Shark IQ, the investment proves its worth. Its potent capabilities and efficiency make it a standout choice. In fact, I confidently declare the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus as the unrivaled best overall robot vacuum available. If you're ready to invest a little more, prepare to be amazed by its effective home maintenance prowess. Introducing the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus, a standout choice for the best robot vacuum that's tailor-made for most people. This robot vacuum doesn't hold back when it comes to performance, affordability, and smart features. Let's dive into what makes the Roomba J7 Plus a top contender. Cleaning performance is where the J7 Plus truly shines. It tackles everything from the tiniest dust particles to cookie crumbs and larger debris with ease. You won't be disappointed by its cleaning prowess. What's impressive is that the J7 Plus adjusts its suction power automatically. If it senses dirtier areas, it ramps up its cleaning power, taking care of messes without any extra input needed from you. And worry not about it bumping into your furniture, its obstacle avoidance capabilities are top-notch, keeping your home safe from unintended collisions. But that's not all. The J7 Plus takes smart navigation to a new level. It's equipped with obstacle recognition features that let it spot items like cables and socks on the ground. This means fewer mishaps and smoother cleaning sessions. Surprisingly, despite its power, the J7 Plus is surprisingly quiet. You won't be disturbed as it goes about its cleaning duties. Setting up the J7 Plus is a breeze. The iRobot Home app simplifies the process, letting you schedule cleaning times and check past vacuum sessions. And if you're a fan of voice control, the J7 Plus syncs seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant. Design-wise, the J7 Plus strikes a balance between sleek and functional. Its plastic build is durable, with a metal upper part adding a touch of elegance. It may not boast the premium look of the Roomba S9 Plus, but it delivers where it matters most. Even better, if you've got a multi-level home, the J7 Plus has you covered with its built-in camera and cliff sensors, ensuring it navigates your space without a hitch. And remember, this powerful robot vacuum doesn't break the bank. It's a great investment for those who want a dependable and efficient cleaning companion without the hefty price tag. Last but certainly not least on my list is the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus Evo, your solution for effortless and effective home cleaning. This robot vacuum stands out as a top contender for the best low-maintenance option on the market today. Let's dive into the details. The i3 Plus Evo simplifies your cleaning routine with its user-friendly design and efficient performance. Coming in at a reasonable price point, it's the perfect blend of affordability and effectiveness. Say goodbye to the hassle of constant maintenance, as the i3 Plus Evo takes care of itself week after week. When it comes to looks, The 3 Plus Evo boasts a modern circular design in stylish black and gray tones. Its compact dimensions of 3.6 by 13.3 by 12.3 inches mean it can easily slip under low furniture, reaching those hard-to-reach spots effortlessly. But what about performance? The i3 Plus Evo surprises with its powerful suction capabilities. From small debris to larger particles like flour and oats, this robot vacuum excels on a variety of surfaces. While it might not match the suction power of some high-end models like the S7 Plus, its performance on carpets is truly impressive. If you're a pet owner dealing with shedding, this vacuum has got you covered. It efficiently tackles pet hair without getting tangled in the brushes. Even with its powerful performance, you won't be disturbed by excessive noise during operation, although the dust emptying process can be a bit louder. In a nutshell, the i3 Plus Evo is your go-to choice if you're looking for a low-maintenance robot vacuum. Keep in mind that the dust bags might be a bit costly, but they last around a month each. The user-friendly app allows you to schedule cleanings, prioritize specific rooms, and set boundaries. When its battery runs low, the i3 Plus Evo autonomously returns to its base, ensuring it's always ready for the next cleaning session. So, if you're after a hassle-free cleaning solution that delivers outstanding results, the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus Evo is the answer. Looking for the latest prices? Check out the links below. They're updated regularly to catch sales and price drops. Your support matters. If you found this video helpful, show it some love with a like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.